Hi, everybody. Trisha here with a fun new product announcement. You've been asking for FFF 3D printable tool steel, and it's finally here. Introducing Tool Steel H13 Filament. H13 tool steel is characterized by good resistance to thermal softening, high hardenability, high strength, and high toughness. But guess what? It prints just like all the other metal, glass, and ceramic filaments from the virtual foundry, which also happens to be very similar to PLA. If you can print plastic, you can print metal. Imagine printing H13 tool steel on your Creality, your Prusa, your Ultimaker, or any other FFF or FDM style 3D printer. Use a 0.6 millimeter hardened steel nozzle, set your nozzle temperature to 210 degrees Celsius and your flow rate to 135%. Place your spool so that the filament coming off the spool is going straight into the extruder. But Tool Steel H13 Filamet isn't for sale just yet. We're rolling out a special release just for those folks on our email list. You can join the list at thevirtualfoundry.com/email-signup or click the link in the description of this video and you'll have access to a special pre-order offer coming soon. And this won't be available to the public, so be sure to sign up to get that inside scoop. In this introductory offer, Tool Steel H13 Filament will be available in 1.75 millimeter diameter only and in 250 kilogram spools. So get on that email list, thevirtualfoundry.com/email-signup, and get notified about when you can buy. Happy printing, everybody. H13 tool steel is characterized by good resistance to thermal. Okay, just a moment.